Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get into a Fortnite creative map with a code. So before we start, I just want to say check out my video on how to lower ping in Fortnite or how to increase FPS in Fortnite Season 8. And now we can start. So first thing what you want to do is click on solo or duo. So you want to choose the creative mode. So just click on creative and click on accept. And now click on play. And this should come up. Now what you want to do is just simply click on launch. Okay, and now once you're in game, once the game loads, what you want to do is just go to any of the islands. So it can be any island you want. And as you can see, it shows set island code by pressing E, and you want to press E. And now what you want to do is click on this, so where it says 000 etc. So just click on it, and now you want to enter the code here. So for example, enter your Fortnite creative map code. And once you do that, just click on select island, and as you can see it says island found. So just click on select island, and it says loading. And now, and there it is, it finished loading. And now what you want to do is just go into it. And basically that's it. It says traveling to island, and there it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.